What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you live on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking that video. You know what time it is. It's time to make some money online. Guys, this lead is about languages, okay? Languages and teaching the youth. But before we jump into that, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share if you love making money online. Because when you do that, you will be able to make money online. It's that easy. Now, top left corner, 9:57 p.m. Okay, today is the 14th of March 2022. Okay, 14th of March 2022, and at this time and date, this was posted 12 hours ago. All right, now let's jump into it. Okay, by the way, this will be posted on the 15th of March, so that will give you an idea of when it was recorded, and depending on when you see this video, it will help you know when or how long ago this was recorded and posted. All right, now let's jump into this lead. So you can work from anywhere. It's international. Okay, and it's international because you can work from several countries in the world. So there was someone recently who was wondering if they could find a job from Pakistan. You may need to do some checking, but it does say international and work from anywhere. Okay, because you're a curriculum developer. It's not so much that you're teaching the classes, right? But you're developing the curriculum. So this lead is called a K-12 World Language Curriculum Developer, and you'll be working for a company called Mango Languages. And they have opted to go the remote route. And remote means you don't work in office, you can work from somewhere outside of the office. So that means you can work from home, a cafe, a coffee shop, the beach, an outsource. You know those outpost places where a bunch of freelancers go to work? At a park, at a desk by your favorite tree, wherever. You can work from anywhere, remotely. So it's a freelance position, so it's not permanent. It's international, and it is indeed part-time. Now, if you want to learn more about Mango Languages, who they are, what they're about, what they have to offer, click this link, go to their website, and you will be able to see what they have to offer. Now, Mango Languages is looking for an expert in K-12, Kindergarten 12, language curriculum development. In this part-time remote contractor position, you will collaborate with a team of linguists to assist in curriculum development and planning, and create a suite of language learning activity templates based on this plan. The curriculum development expert is responsible for ensuring that the final set of lesson plan templates meets the needs of world language educators and students, in addition to meeting the high quality standards of Mango Languages. The ideal candidate will have significant and recent experience in a K-12 world language classroom and is passionate about language education. This person will have a track record of creating innovative and effective lesson plans for world language classrooms. Now, to go along with these responsibilities, or rather to go along with what that description says, the following will be your responsibilities. Well, I'm fumbling over myself there. Oh well, it happens, right? All right, let's go. 1. You'll work collaboratively with remote team members to build out a hierarchy and plan for curricular elements. 2. Develop a suite of classroom activity templates to be used in scalable curriculum development initiatives. Next, create activities that are informed by and tagged for depth of knowledge levels and Bloom's taxonomy. Next, you'll support the development of language framework training curriculum and materials for institutions and educators. Next, You'll offer insight into the K-12 space by consulting on various initiatives. Next, you'll support possible transition to digital format as appropriate. Next, you'll review outcomes of user testing and implement corresponding changes. Key and really important, you'll commit to a part-time collaboration with a time commitment between 10 and 30 hours per week, depending on project phase. So they don't want you to go less than 10 hours. Okay? You are a contractor and it is part-time, but they need you to commit to between 10 to 30 hours. And that's commensurate with how much work the particular project you're working on demands. So if your project demands 25 hours but you're only doing 11, that's not good. Okay? It's part-time, it's remote, you're working from home, it's flexible, but it's not reason to slack off. Okay? Next, real quick, the last one. Attend and participate in regular project team meetings. Now, to land this role, these are the hardcore requirements that they have for this lead. Master's degree or higher in curriculum and instruction, instructional technology, or similar field. Demonstrated experience developing curricula and activities based on that curriculum for use in a K-12 language classroom. All right. And they say that you need to see the application requirements. So check that out when you're looking through this lead. They want you to have minimum of 3 to 5 years experience as a world language teacher in a K-12 classroom in the US. Extensive knowledge of language proficiency standards, including ACTFL and IIDA. Advanced knowledge of current trends in research and instructional methodologies. Comprehensive understanding of classroom teachers' needs. Experience working with a diverse population of learners. You should exhibit cultural competence in the development and delivery of the curriculum. Reliable internet connection. Experience with Google Suite. Sheets and Docs preferred. Now, key characteristics of the person that they want: should be passionate about teaching and sharing world languages and culture. Strong communication skills and responsiveness on email. Able to adapt to changing priorities. Enthusiasm for incorporating technology in language learning. Readiness to think critically and ask questions. Able to give and receive feedback. Proven track record of consistently meeting deadlines, and you must work well in a team. And if this sounds like somebody you know, whether it be yourself or you're part of a teacher's group, or you know somebody who's retired, or somebody who was in a funk and they want to get back into the groove of things, send them the link to this page. It's in the description below. And make sure you press this button here to apply for the lead. Okay, apply for the job. So guys, that's it in a nutshell. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know how my leads are helping you. Okay. Another way you can help out the channel is to check out the links in the description below. Some are affiliate links and others are just free resources that you can read. For example, there's an awesome book called You Were Born Rich. That book has helped me tremendously. It has helped me to realize my relationship with money, how easy it really should be to earn money, and how you can change your thinking, change your practices to actually open the floodgates of money into your life. It was written by the late Bob Proctor. He passed away a month ago, and he was one of the leading motivational speakers in this space of self-improvement, self-development, and so forth. He's been studying books like Think and Grow Rich for many years, and he has amassed a whole lot of wealth, and he was doing what he loved to do, which was teach people about themselves, about how much they're worth, and how they truly do deserve to have money in their lives. And he was a speaker who did this to the very last day he passed away. And so that book, that link is there. It's free. Just click the link. There's this form that they have. It's actually not my link. It's Bob Proctor's link. And so when you click the link, a window will open up. You just enter your name and your email address and you get the book for free. That's it. Okay. Now they do host webinars and they do host free seminars and so forth. They do have paid ones as well. But they get your name and email address so that when they're having one, they can notify you that it's happening this day, this date, this time, so that you can join in if you want to. So that's why. And in exchange, you get a couple, like 100 and something pages of pure gold. Pure gold. So look for that link and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.